I have a question about like coming into like parking lots and all. How do you know which lane to be on? Because I know.
Yeah. Okay. This parking lot is the 2 lanes.
Yeah.
So you have to be the closest one. So I'm gonna point.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, we are here. Hello guys.
Hello everybody.
Yeah, we are doing another practice.
Yeah.
G2. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. So we have nurse now.
Yes.
So you are working in which one? Windsor Regional or Hotel Du?
Windsor Regional.
Regional, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So which department you are working for? Emergency?
Yeah, emergency.
Okay.
Yeah. So everybody's safe in the car.
Okay. So
everybody.
So if I find you there, can you put me on the
Yes, for sure. I'll take you to the front of the line.
Okay. So are you ready for G2?
Yes.
Okay. The exam start from there. Okay, let's go. Start here. Turn left.
Okay.
So this is 2 ways road. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Turn left. So if you have any question, just ask me anytime. You can talk.
Okay.
Left here. Turn. Left. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. And go straight here. Go straight. So we're gonna go to the right.
Okay.
Before the sidewalk, stop.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure this side is clear. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can go. Turning first lane. Okay. Also, you can focus on the road.
Okay.
Yeah. So the right lane is going to end.
Yeah.
Okay. So after traffic lights,
Mm-hmm.
try to change lane to the left.
Okay.
Check both sides. Yeah. So good job. So if you couldn't change later. If you couldn't change later. But you have to change lane by yourself.
Okay.
Okay. So because of that.
Yeah.
So rail crossing, you should look left and right. Yeah.
Okay. And you also slow down, right?
Yeah, you can be slowed down a little bit. Check both sides again. Yeah. If some rail crossing is good, yeah, you need to slow down well. Very bad truck. Some rail crossing is very good.
Yeah.
You don't need to slow down so much. So if you don't see speed limit sign,
50.
yep.
You can go 2 or 3 higher or 2 or 3
Yes,
lower. Right?
yes, correct. Turn left at the light. So you watch my videos, eh?
Very well.
Yeah. Which one is your favorite one?
Let me see. I think it was the guy that kept making mistakes and he kept being like, oh my goodness, I'm going to spill my coffee.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I admired him so much. He did very good. He made mistakes.
Did you watch the piece?
I watched a lot.
Piece, you know, this lady, we have practice with her in Chatham. I said I'm gonna be Nigerian teacher now.
No, I didn't see that one yet. No, all I was watching was all the whole Windsor ones.
Oh, Windsor, okay. Oh,
Yeah.
that one is the Chatham. Yeah. Check both sides. Come here, turning first lane here.
Yep.
So speed up. Speed up. Change your lane to right. Right signal. Shoulder check. Yes. A little bit gas. Yeah. So we're gonna turn to the right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I should.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Right here. Right.
Here?
Yeah. Right signal. Yeah. Okay. Here. Go straight. No braking too much.
Okay.
So this is one-way street.
Yeah.
One-way street. So you killed the bicycle. So come this side. Slow down. So this, look at this guy.
Yeah.
He's delivering with the charger. Yeah. Okay. Go past him slow.
Yeah.
Okay. So with the charger.
That's risky.
Yeah. And he's doing Amazon delivery. I think he's Punjabi Indian.
Yeah, they drive charger.
Yeah. Turn right. So 3-second wait. Uno, dos, tres. Turn right. Without stopping.
Yeah.
Here, shorter. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So pull over. Yeah, this is. Yes, this is pull over. So close to curb, 30 centimeter close. So
My fault?
yeah, you're good.
Okay.
Downhill parking.
No.
Yes, this is downhill towards the curb, right?
Yep.
Park and brake. Do it all the way.
All the way up?
All the way.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, this is downhill parking. Yeah, towards the curb. Okay, if something happens, your car goes to the curb.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go. Good job. You did 3 things good. Mirror, signal, and blind spot. You did
Yeah.
good job. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So let's do one more pull over here. Pull over. Okay. Okay. Good pull over. You didn't shake the gas. Very smooth.
Yeah.
3-point turn. Yeah, change the back angle. Yeah, that's good. Medeo. In the middle of the road.
Yeah.
Yes. So let's do parallel park for this car.
Okay.
The park in the parallelo. Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me, you forgot one thing. Signal.
Signal.
Signal. Yeah.
Oh, wait. Don't I have to reach there and then I turn it on and then...
So you are telling the people, hey, people behind me, I am doing something here. That's
oh,
why
that's true. Okay,
you are
good.
trafficating.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do a little bit quick. The car is waiting for you.
No, I hate this situation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Before we get honk. Yeah.
Don't worry, I got it.
Okay.
Yep, a little V
Yeah.
and then fully.
Yeah. Perfect. Muy bien.
Yeah.
Muy bien. Park and brake. Good. Weather is good.
Yeah.
Now, right now it's not so cold. Okay, let's go. Vámonos. Let's go. Vámonos, vámonos.
Check, make sure. No, it's always safe to kind of move back.
Yes, a little bit back is better. Look at back when you are
Yeah.
moving back. Yes.
Yeah, for sure. Check, make sure. Okay.
That's it. A little bit
Yeah.
enough, yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. So let's do one more parallel park.
Okay.
Okay, let's this
Parallel.
yeah. Nissan Versa.
Okay.
Mirka, something like that. Okay, little perfecto. Because you are a little bit far.
Far, right?
A little bit.
I
yeah.
noticed this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I noticed it.
A little bit perfect. Okay. So let's go.
Okay.
Pull over. Three-point turn.
Okay. Yeah, nice.
Yes, good. Yes, good.
Today is so hot.
Yeah, actually pull over here because okay, let's do three-point turn again. This
Right here?
yeah, because you know this school bus there,
Yeah.
so it's gonna take time.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah, three-point turn
Okay.
because this school bus is disabled kids school bus,
Yeah.
so it's gonna take time. By the way, you are getting 3 times three-point turn. That's good.
Yay. This is so bad.
Perfect. So turn left. Turn left. So your distance a little bit away from the car.
A little bit away? Okay.
Yeah, 1 meter.
So kind of driving in the center.
Kind of, not exactly. Turn left. No.
right?
No. Yeah, he has a right of way.
Okay.
Okay.
Is that what
Okay,
you want?
okay. Thank you, Habibi. Thank you. But actually, he has a right of way.
Yeah, he has it right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. I know that now.
Yes. So I didn't tell you anything.
Yeah.
I want you to do mistake.
Okay, fine. You caught me.
Let's go. Because I make so I'm gonna make the short here.
Okay.
So it's gonna be viral. 1 million watch, 2 million watch.
All right.
Turn right. I will ask my editor to cut this one.
I'll put it in the front, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put in the short.
No problem.
$50 here. 50.
Okay.
Go 50.
Oh, jeez, this one is crossing.
Yeah. It's crossing. Slow down for the lady.
Yeah. GJ.
Let's go. Yeah. What you gonna do?
Yeah.
Yeah. old lady, she is trying to run. That's okay, no problem. So here the train is there.
Yeah.
I hope it's not
Too long. Right?
Yeah. But if the train is there,
Yeah.
a lot of traffic, so I don't recommend.
We wait.
I don't recommend to start with the right lane. Okay, I don't recommend because it's gonna be 2 lanes here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. That'll be a lot.
Going straight, yeah. Yeah, 2,000 annually.
Wow.
Yeah, check both side. Yes, be on the left side here. So
Okay.
yes, left side.
Oh, I
Okay,
see.
if there is no train,
Yeah.
I recommend to change your lane to the right
Okay.
because otherwise you will lose point. But right now it's so busy.
Yeah.
That's okay. No need to change lane.
So every time I come out from like a train track, I have to switch to the.
Yes, but right now there is no point. You know.
Yeah.
There is no point. Check both side.
Oh,
My fault. Sorry.
sorry. Yeah, it's so busy.
Yeah.
School time.
In Canada, the Transportation Safety Board of Canada (TSB) reports about 150-200 train vehicle collision annually at the rail crossing.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yes. But in USA,
It should be less, right?
yeah, no, USA is a lot. Around 2,000.
Of course, it's USA.
Yeah.
It's crazy there.
Yeah. So they have Trump, right?
I am the chosen one. Somebody had to do it.
Yeah.
So we are also American now.
Yeah.
So we are American too, right? Because he's turning left.
Bye.
Yeah. Left here. Left signal. Yeah. Here. Enter from here. Shoulder check. Enter from here.
Okay.
Yeah. Enter. Make
Oh,
the
we're
wheel
going into the
straight.
parking
Yes.
lot?
Yeah. Yeah. Make the wheel straight. Wait for the car here.
Yeah.
Check the blind spot. Don't turn the wheel.
Okay.
Get ready to go. Then go. Yeah. Turning a little bit wide here. Here. Yeah. That's it.
In here?
Here.
Oh.
Yeah. This is your way.
Okay.
Yeah.
I saw your hand. I was like, oh, in there. Okay.
Yeah. But this is 2 ways road.
Yeah.
Go straight.
Okay.
Go straight. Go straight.
So where are we going? Down.
Straight.
Okay.
Go straight. Okay. Park left. Left signal. Okay, here a little bit up, going up like this. So again left here, next to this car. Yeah. Make it straight. Okay.
Here?
Yeah, go
Or you want me
front.
front?
Yeah, go front.
Okay.
Perfect. So exam is gonna bring you here, back. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Park. Handbrake. So handbrake, park and brake doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter,
Okay. So this is the one exam road. So yeah, you have to change your lane by yourself, and you have to follow the examiner instruction and watch your speed all the time.
Yeah.
Any question?
Mm-mm.
No? Okay. All the best.
Okay.
Yeah. Good luck.
Thanks.
Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and like our videos.
Subscribe.
Thank you. And then watch it and share with your friends. See you in the next
Yes.
video. So we're gonna do again video, okay?
Okay.